Conversation-based learning, because life is not a grammar test. For too long, English education has focused on grammar because grammar is easy to test. Now, conversation is easy to test. This changes everything. We use partners, not grammar. The engine of improvement is a lot of speaking with a lot of partners. Many partners make you smoother, better partners make you better. Test partners of similar ability gives fair and accurate testing. There are 4 components: placement test, conversation book, conversation class, conversation test. The placement test. It takes 15 minutes to give and grade, and it's more accurate than the 4-hour SAT test. Just push play. Within 15 minutes, here's the ability of everyone in class, which gives their first conversation test partners. Test partners of similar ability make the test fair and accurate. Conversation book. The book and methodology are the same. Writing for speaking. Write what you will say, talk about what you wrote. Writing before speaking improves accuracy. Speaking to many partners improves fluency. Simple. The book is conversation preparation. There's no read and guess. All homework is writing what they will say. Every page is on audio. All instructions are on video. They do the book at home. 30 minutes of homework generates 2 hours of conversations. They wrote it, they want to use it. Just add partners. Conversation class. The class is speed dating pair conversations. You get a new topic every week, a new partner every 7 minutes. Everybody's speaking half the time your partner's a better speaker. Students speak because they did the book at home. If teachers talk in class, they're doing it wrong. Conversation test. 3 students of similar ability have a 17-minute conversation. They record it with their phone and transcribe just what they said. MS Word gives their ability and their improvement. Simple. Transcribing takes about 2 hours. MS Word gives how many words they spoke, how many times they spoke. Words divided by times gives their average words per utterance. Total words is their speaking ability. They are beginning speakers, speaking as fast as they can. This is a communicative test, and MS Word measures precisely how much they communicated. And, I love this part, how many words they spoke on the first test determines their partners for the second test. Partners of similar ability make the second test fair and even more accurate. What about mistakes? The best tennis players in the world make mistakes all the time. They self-correct. And so do conversation-based learning students. When they transcribe their conversation, they hear, type, and read every mistake they made. Finding mistakes is no longer the teacher's job. Get a hobby. After midterm, they talk some more. Then they have their second conversation test. Results? Here's data from the first test and the second test. Here's the improvement. Average words increased 80%. Longer speaking is smoother speaking. Total words increased 20%. This means shorter pauses and fewer pauses. This is 50% improvement. in 7 weeks. It works because of human nature. What gets tested gets done. And when speaking improves 50%, TOEIC, TOEFL, and IELTS scores improve 20%. All that without one molecule of grammar. Recap. This is the book. Write what you will say. This is the class. Talk about what you wrote. This is the test. Transcribe what you said. This is the correction. Self-correct. Say, it looks like students do all the work. Exactly. That's why they improve so much. But is speaking an academic skill? Yes. Clear, confident speaking is the sign of an educated person, and it should be the result of a 10-year English education.